Welcome, my dear student. Today we are going to talking about the chapter Go Girl Go. Okay, and in this chapter we are know about the many personality that related to the games and achieve the many reward and gold medal, and they are also show up their own in determination and willing. So let's start the chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, we are talking about the person. She is Hima Das. Okay, and Hima Das also make a records and won the medals. Okay, so Meena Das won India's first event gold medal at the IAAF World Under 20 Athletics Championship in Finland in 2017. Okay, and she is born in Ding. So many of the person called him Ding Expresses. It means his fans called him her Ding Expresses, and sports and education for girls in her village. Okay, and many of the girls supports her to get education, and that were in his village. Okay, now we are talking about the cutting of newspaper, and in this cutting of newspaper, it is published in Jakarta 27 August 2018. Okay, and here is the Hima Das, the publisher of the newspaper. Congratulation, given him her congratulation, and he also mentioned that here is the she get one gold and two silver medals in Asian Games at Jakarta. Okay, and she participated in 4-meter events and won the silver with the record timing of 50.59 seconds. Okay, after that he also followed it, and then he relay 4 into 400 meter. Okay, and she also parts of the women's quadrant that claimed the gold in the 4 into 400 meter relay. After that, his coach spotted her, and he says to her that he interpreted it in a bag of the gold, both 100-meter and 200-meter. Okay, then she would start slow and peak toward. When her coach observed that the Hima Das start slow and then picked toward the end, which made her perfect for the 200 meters event. And then Hima Das also participated in 400 meter. It means she shifted in 200 meters run. Okay, and race. Okay, and then Hima Das also said that she was interested in sports from her childhood, and her dream was to representing India in football. And her family also said that a school teacher made her choose athlete over her first love, football, and now she is one of the nation star athletes. Okay, next we are talking about the person Swapna Burman. Here is the Swapna Burman, who is the winner of the Indian first event heptathlon gold at the Asian Games this year. Okay, and this newspaper cutting published in Kolkata 3 September 218. Okay, and she collected 6,026 points from the 7 event that she competed in over 2 days. And then the 7 event were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100-meter race, 200-meter race, and 800-meter race. Okay, all the games she participate and get 6,026 points. Okay, and in the beginning she was a junior national record holder in high jump. Okay, but someone advised her. It means her coach advised her. Her coach name was Sarkar, okay, and he entered in a heptathlon, and there the heroic heptathlon had a fight, pain, and discomfort throughout the Asian game. In the beginning, he faced many problems, like she has an extra toy and each foot, and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet. Okay, she also had a terrible toothache in the on the day of final event. It means she has many problems, like in his legs. There are extra toy in her legs, both legs, and toothache. It means pain in a tooth. Okay, so but he uh, never became hopeless, and showing his courage and determination, she won the gold medal and made the history of India. Okay, she won it on the Indian National Sports Day, which made it extra special. His next target is to do well. Okay, so heptathlon means everyone know that it is the track and field event. It is the combined event contest made up the 7 event, and I also said that the 7 event is 7 events were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, and 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter race. Next, we are talking about the person Vishesh Fogart. Okay, Vishesh Fogart. You also know about the Babita Fogart and the Fogart and his sister. It means Geeta Fogart. Okay, and Vishesh Fogart is the cousin of both Wonder Girls. Okay, and here is the also paper cutting, and this is the published in Chandigarh 5 September 2018. And in this newspaper, the publisher said that Vishesh Fogart beat Yuki Iri of the Japan in the final of the women's wrestling. It means Vishesh Fogart is a wrestler who was fight in Japan in a final, okay, and Asian Games 2018, and thus become the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal. Okay, and it earlier her way of the final, Vishesh had a defeated Yana Sun of China. Vishesh and suffered a heartbreaking leg injury, and during the Rio Olympics against Sun, she did not allow the affect her. She come out a winner with an incredible score of 8-2. Okay, it means she has a most determination and willing out to win the game. Okay, and next when he landed in a Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilogram above the requisites weight for her category. It means his Vishesh Fogart has a extra weight like 4 kg extra, but he did not became hopeless. She did not become hopeless, and she was on liquid diet for 3 days and worked out in non-air conditioned hall to increase sweat and dirt the number of training. Okay, season, and she did not lose 4 kilograms. She did lose. It means she lost her 4 kilograms weight, and after after she come for the wrestling, he feel very weak and lack of the energy, but he participated in the competition, and in a brilliant display of the mental strength, she won the gold medal. She has won many medals of other events, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Championship in Kazakhstan and a gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Game. And now the India sports has clearly come a long way, with a 2018 bringing Indian 66 medals at the Commonwealth Game and 69 medals at the Asian Games. It means they broke the It means all the women sportsmen broke many records and won more medal in these years. Women played a major role at the both in sports events. They won 12 gold, 10 silver, and 6 bronze medal at the Commonwealth Game, and 4 gold, 12 silver, and 11 bronze medal at the Asian Game. And all the women show themselves that they are not weak and uh, not lack of the strength than uh, man. Okay, so you can see that here the sports in India has been largely about men, but in 2018 women changed the world of Indian sports. I hope you all know about the all three personality like Hima Das, Swapna Burman, and Vishesh Fogart that make a history of the India. So thank you for the watching this video.